What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So basically our Honda Element was had the catalytic converter removed from the bottom of our car by some car thief. But before that, we were taking it to the shop. We just got it back from the shop like 2 days before that. They were supposed to fix the VTC solenoid. They supposedly said they did, and then we took it back. It still had the code for that. And then they're like, oh, well, it's probably the oil pan because there's a major oil leak, which they didn't even mention the first time we went. So I was like, okay, that's fine. You want to play that game? Fix the oil pan. Fix the oil pan. Do whatever you got to do. Okay, so they fixed the oil pan, and then now it still has the code even after we replaced the we had the catalytic converter get replaced. That was another like $2,000 out of my pocket. And then now it still has the code for the that same BTC solenoid, and then the manager was completely rude. So I'm trying to just basically expose these guys for their shady business practice. Hopefully, when we go back to go pick up the car right now, because he said it's ready now this time. So hopefully the code is gone and the car works fine. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I just want to have some kind of like video evidence of how they treat their customers like dog shit. Well, maybe they don't treat everybody like that, but they've definitely treated us like very badly. Very unprofessional. Everyone's got an attitude problem. It's like, I don't understand it. You guys if you haven't seen that food review of that Virgin River place, you know, it's like I'm used to getting terrible service, and I'm starting to realize if I have this camera rolling, people tend to be a little bit nicer. I don't know how that works, but you know, it's almost as if they don't want to be put on the internet, being exposed for the way they act every single day. So let's just go and see what happens. We'll be back. I'll see you when we're there. We're actually on the way to the Honda West dealership. I got my COVID mask on. You know, we're ready to go inside that place. All right. So before I even go all the way in there, I want to let you guys know the manager was completely rude. It's like he's like only siding with his employees. It's like I never get that treatment on any of my jobs, and I have a great work ethic. So I don't understand how like it's different for other people when they're at their job, but when it's me as the customer, I get treated like dog shit. I don't understand. But okay, so basically he's like, well, if we can't get the P0011 code to go away with whatever part we already fixed, it's probably the actuator, so it's not going to be free. I'm like, what do you mean it's not going to be free? I paid you guys to fucking fix the code, the P0011. So that means you're fixing whatever part it needs to be to fix that code. It's not just keep on tacking more things on and on and on. I don't understand how you're like stringing me along like I'm stupid or something. Like I was born 2 days ago. I don't understand that. Like they just like they're insulting my intelligence. Number one. Number two, they're rude. Number three, they're gonna fix that car, or I'm just gonna have my credit card company just charge back. So either way, I'm not getting shafted anymore. Just letting you guys know, like I don't want you guys to get the same thing happen to you either. Like if these guys ever try to do this to you and try to string you along and just keep on saying something else is broken, 9 times out of 10 they broke something else, or they're just saying that so they can keep on charging you. It's like if that was the case, I might as well just go buy the brand new 2021 Element. Like what the I don't understand. I don't understand the logic. But we're going back right now. I just wanted to let you guys know that the manager literally told me that it's all going to be free. Like, what do you mean? Like, he should be like, I'm so sorry about that. You know, I'm sorry my technicians don't know what the hell they're doing. You know, no one even checks their work. They didn't even check the code scanner after they repaired any of the parts. Like, that's like the first thing you're supposed to do. You double check your work. Triple check. You double check, make sure it's good, make sure the codes are all removed. There's no other codes coming back up. The car's running properly. You know, there's no weird oil leak or weird, the gauges aren't working right. Like, you know, you got to make sure everything's better than when they brought it in, basically. The whole point of them bringing it in was for you to fix the car. And it's like, what is it, going to be like $10,000 until the thing's got fixed for one code? That doesn't make any sense, bro. But alright guys, so we'll see you when we get there. I'm gonna have this camera like hidden underneath my phone, so I don't know if you'll be able to like see it too good, but I just want to kind of maybe capture some of the audio of what these guys say, if they're even sincere, apologetic towards the situation. because I will definitely not take my car to this place again. And anyone else that owns a Honda vehicle, don't take it to any of these. You know, they always tell you that, don't take it to the dealership, but it's like, you would think they'd still do it right at least, but no, they're just like, they do a shitty job and they charge you way more than a regular mechanic. So yeah, with that being said, I will never take my car to Honda West, neither should you. I completely like refuse to take it back ever again. I don't care if they're like, oh, we got another recall. Like, I don't care, dude. I'd rather just fly through the windshield or whatever. But yeah, let's go. I'll see you in there. All the receipts, just a real quick rundown. $2,000, $2,300, another fucking $800, another $500, and it's like, what did they really do? They didn't do anything. My car's still jacked up. It's like, I don't understand. But we're gonna go in there, see if the car's done properly this time. As soon as I get in the car, I'm gonna use my code scanner again, and if the code's still popping up, we're gonna have some issues. So I'm gonna tuck this into my little my receipt. Alright, so we're going in, guys. Hidden cam. I don't know if you guys can see this. That's what I'm saying, man. You hear that, guy? Hey, good morning.
Morning, how
are you doing, man? We came to pick up the
Doesnt?
Yeah.
Right. Let me see where your key is. You're all set.
Cool.
I actually had the key. I parked this car.
If you need me to on this one, I will.
What's the last name again?
Tapia.
T-A.
T-A-P-I-A.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yep, I was going to say, I had a feeling I probably should have told you that. I apologize.
I got the key over here, bro.
Never mind, I'll get it on.
Good morning.
Where's your card back?
Alright, yeah, I'll bring it up.
Three signatures here for me?
I'll bring it right up for you, sir.
I appreciate it. Alright, guys. I don't know if you could hear that or not, but as soon as I walked in the door, someone else said these guys don't know what the fuck they're doing. So I don't think I'm the only one having this kind of dilemma. But yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, that's crazy. Someone else like, you guys got people working here that don't know what the fuck they're doing. So yeah, so that confirms it right there. As soon as I walked in the door, someone said that. So some random guy that probably brought his brand new car in. So yeah, we'll see what happens right here. If the code still comes out, I'm going to turn my Bluetooth on just to make sure the code's not showing up. So as soon as I get in my car, I'm going to run the diagnostic to see what happens. Yeah, and then I told this guy good morning. He's just like, what up? Like, you know, it's still rude. Still being a rude cunt. So yeah, I will never bring my car here again, guys. Absolutely crazy. The shit they're trying to pull. So I think he's bringing it around front over here. Let me see.
You're all said,
It's
sir.
all good. Appreciate your help,
All
man.
right, thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
All right, buddy.
Take care.
Okay.
Alright, let's see what the hell they did this time. See, it sounds a lot better now, like right out the gate, but we'll see. We're gonna run the diagnostic, guys. So yeah, like I said, as soon as I walked in, somebody else was like, you guys got people working here that don't even know what the fuck they're doing. They don't. Absolutely not. I've worked on Honda vehicles. Their parts are so easy to get to access and like take apart. It's so easy. Like all you need is like proper tools, like wrenches and stuff. Like it's not like it's a GM product where it's like, so like someone else is bringing an element in. Look at that. I wonder what happened there. But anyways, yeah, I would never go to this place again. This is definitely going on YouTube. You guys deserve to see this stuff because it's just I don't want it to happen to any of you guys that watch our videos. That, you know, I've been through the car situation so many times. The only reason we brought it in here is because we were trying to just take the car out so we can go to the next place and shoot some videos out of state. And it's just like every weekend it's another hiccup in the whole entire plan that I have going. And it's just like, it's ridiculous. But let's run this diagnostic real quick. So I got the fixed app. You just can, it's like a $20 little, you plug it into the code reader. So we're going to search diagnostic, see if the code comes out. So I'm trying to figure out how they even knew the code was out or not. Because if the code pops up again, they either, one, took a fuse out, didn't fix the part and just like, yeah, took a fuse out, or they cleared the codes out really quick, which is very possible. Look, see, it's still showing the code. Variable control timing system malfunction. So, and it says it's a new code. So I'm trying to figure out how it's still showing that code. You know what I'm saying? Like, they supposedly said they drove it 15 miles and the light went away. So maybe we got to drive it a little bit longer and have it clear again. So, but if the light comes back out on, guys, we're taking it back and they're fixing this. And I don't want to hear it's some other piece, that's the actuator piece or whatever. Because look, the check engine light's not on now. But when I first drove it off the other day before we left it here again, yeah, this code right here, P001, we already paid for that. Look, all the documentation's here in this, all these receipts. So, yeah, guys, terrible service. You know, the manager was like trying to just tell us, well, if the code comes back out on, it might be the actuator, so that it's not going to be free though. Like, how is it not going to be free? Like, I'm probably going to just have to call my, you know, my freaking bank statement because this is ridiculous. All right, so we're going to drive it, see let's see. Now I can clear the engine light. Let me clear the engine light, and then let me see what it does. If it comes back on again, then it's for sure they fixed it. If it comes back on again, then they didn't fix it, or it's something still wrong. So, see, look, clear engine light. So can I clear that? I don't know why it's searching again, connecting. Yeah, but like I said, guys, don't let these guys shaft you like this. This is unacceptable. You're paying for a service and then you're still, look, see, it's still coming out. The issues present are not likely to cause major damage to your vehicle or continue driving, but should still be addressed promptly. So, and I already took a screenshot before of what it could possibly be. See, like, you can go to more information, it'll tell you. But yeah, we're gonna see what it drives like. We'll give you an update on like if it comes back or not. Hopefully it doesn't, but I don't know. I'm not gonna hold my breath. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.